Maluna o ka paipai ho'opa'ahou ia e na koa o mua ke kumai nei no he auna o pio I makaukau a pihoi no ka lawe I keia au kahi I mua.
Maybe my opposition, there's another position, but I haven't heard the other position on why it's so compelling.
O Billy, ke kahi o keia auna o na ala ka I Hawai'i o pio e imi ana I ka pono mai loko mai o na ona I hana mana o keia au nei.
Activism is just speaking up according to your beliefs, your principles, and affecting change. Wanting to see good for your community, for your family, for your island home. So I've always respected advocacy. I mean, that's why I wanted to go to law school.
Ia Billy e imi ana I ka pono ma ke ao kālai aina, e ia mai kona hoa I puka like mai ke kulakana vai o Richardson aku o ka pua sprout kona inoa. Ai imi ana oia ina ki ina e pono ai kona kaya ulu mana hale ho o kolo a pei a pu ka lumi papakula loyo no hoi.
I always joke that I grew up holding sign because it seemed like we're constantly going to meetings. I mean, if it wasn't for my parents and my extended family, a handful of other folks, I think the face of the North Shore of Kaua'i would be totally different. Yeah, it was definitely during those times that I was like, brah, something is not cool. I mean, everybody else at the table has attorneys except for the community. I think a legal education and a law license is a very important tool to have in our community toolbox.
A maluna o ia ano manao I imi aku ai o ka pua I ka hele I ke kula loyo. Ma hope o ka puka ana, ua lilo o ia I loyo no Earth Justice, he hui e paio mau ana no ka malama honua. A o ke kahi o kāna mo paio nui mua loa, o ia ka imi I ka hoi ia o ka vai o waia hole, I ko waia hole pono I no, he hana pilikino no ia nona.
My husband's family is very involved in that issue and are one of the lead clients in that case. And that was really cool for me because I not only could use my legal skills for the benefit of the community, but I could work side by side with my extended family and people who, you know, I had a tremendous amount of respect for. No pressure, by the way, if I screwed up or didn't win, but...
Ua lana kila no o ka pua ma me na ohana o waia hole, a ua emi mai no ia ka ili ia ana ako ka vai a lawe I ke kahi au ko mokupuni. I ke ia maula, ke ao nei o ka pua I ka hanauna hou o na loyo e imi ana I ka pono o ka aina a me ka la hui.
You know, I can only do so much as one person or as one attorney, but by working here at the law school and specifically with Kahuliao and the environmental law program, I realized that I could really expand my reach and help to enlighten other students who are interested in these areas.
No Billy me ka pua, ke paio nei no I kela me ke ia la ma kolako ano pono I no mai loko mai o na ona I hana mana. E ia nae, a ole ana ia he pani no ia mau ki ina imi pono o ka hanauna ma mua.
Sometimes, you know, with the way our government works, that means that it takes people out on the street marching with tea leaves or, you know, whatever else in order to have that impact because the legal system is imperfect.
Ma ka pua lawa me Billy hana o kela me ke ia la, ke ho'oulu ia nei ka hoi o ka hanauna hou no ke komo I ke ia ano hana. E like hoi me ko ka hanauna ma mua o la wa pai ka hua ana.
We definitely stand on the shoulders of our ancestors, and I wouldn't be where I am today without my family. To be able to now assist them, but in a different capacity, not just holding sign with them side by side, which I do sometimes, but also to provide the legal tools as that's necessary, has been really cool and has been really rewarding as well.
I have a deep respect and appreciation for those who fought not only for around self-determination and self-governance for Native Hawaiians, but around having a clean air and clean water. I'm a beneficiary of all of their efforts, me and my generation of young leaders.
In order to affect lasting change in our community, I believe that we need to have people in many different positions throughout the gamut from left to right, working in you know, at the community level, within government, advocates for the people who disagree with what government's deciding. We need to have folks throughout that political spectrum.
And we would all be still.
A laila, pihi a lai piha pono e he au kahi me ka loa ole o kona mau mele. E ho iho mai no.
And now your voice is gone.